The angle of elevation of the top of the cliff from a point 300 meters from its foot is 60 degrees. So see, if we'll take the cliff from a point which is 300 meters from its foot, 300 meters. So A, B, C. This is 300 meters. The angle of elevation. The angle of elevation is 60 degrees from this point. So we need to find the height of the cliff. So see, angle of elevation means, you know, that the angle between line of sight and horizontal surface when the object is above the point of observation. Now, theta, opposite, adjacent. So I'll use tan theta. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent. So tan 60 degrees, opposite is h, adjacent is 300. Tan 60 is root 3, h by 300. So if you cross multiply, 300 root 3 equals h. So the height is 300 root 3 meters. 300 root 3 meters. So the correct option is 3. 52nd question, like 52. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from the top and foot of a pole of 10 meters. So here take 10 meters pole. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from this top and from its foot. So we need to draw here horizontal surface. This angle is 30 degrees and from its foot it is 60 degrees. See, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from the top and foot of a pole. First top, then foot of a pole, 10 meters high. So we need to find the height of a tower. So now here A, B, C, D and E. If AB is 10 meters, CD will be 10 meters. See, total is like h, so DE will be h minus 10 meters. Okay. Now this AD I'll consider as x, so this also will be like x. Now here in triangle ADE, tan 30, tan theta is like opposite by adjacent. So tan 30 is opposite is h minus 10 and adjacent is x. So tan 30 value is 1 by root 3 is h minus 10 by x. So right here cross multiply, x equals h minus 10 into root 3. This you consider as equation 1. Now take another triangle BCE. Triangle BCE. In BCE, theta is like 60. Opposite is total, that is h, and adjacent is x. So tan 60 is root 3 equals h by x. So here also if you cross multiply, x equals write in terms of x, h by root 3. This is equation 2. So from 1 and 2, so see what will get like from 1. From 1, equation 1 and equation 2, see both I wrote in terms of x. So I can equate like h minus 10 into root 3 equals h by root 3. So if I'll multiply here, h minus 10, root 3 times root 3 is 3 equals h. If we'll multiply 3h minus 30 equals h. So 3h minus h on transposing, if we'll bring this h left side, plus h will become minus h, and minus 30 if we'll take to the other side will become plus 30. So 2h equals 30. So h equals 15. 30 by 2, 15 meters. So the correct option is 3. The height of the tower is 15 meters. The set of all possible events is we'll call it as like sample space. Like for example, if we'll toss 2 coins, okay, if we'll toss 2 coins, So we will get like head, tail, head, tail. Now see, we may get head, okay, 1, head, tail, head, tail. This is the sample space for 2 coins. So what I'm writing is what all the possible outcomes, okay, what all the possible events, we'll call it as sample space. In the same way, if I'll take 1 dice, the sample space is like, it may be 1, 2, or 3, 4, 5, or like 6. So this is the sample space for like 1 die. Is it okay? So sample space is nothing but all possible events. So the correct option is 3. See, question number 54. It is based on a deck of 52 cards. So once I'll explain the sample space of like 52 cards. So a deck of 52 cards. See, it is divided into 4 suits. Okay, that is, those are like diamonds, hearts, spades, and clubs. Diamonds, hearts, spades, clubs. In each suit like 13 cards. 13. See, diamonds and hearts are in red color. These are in red color. And spades and clubs are in like black color. So here also spades and clubs are in black. Now see, in each suit again, like there are like king, queen, jack. Okay, king, queen, jack, and next like 1, that is nothing but we'll call it as like ace. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 number cards, and 3 we'll call it as like face cards or picture cards. Face cards or picture cards. In all the 4 suits it will be same: king, queen, jack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 we'll call ace. Now in this question what they are asking, the probability of getting a red king. So see, total in 4 suits we have red kings, like 2 cards are red, diamonds and hearts. So in this we have 1 king, in this also we have 1 king. So probability of an event is number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Here we have 2 kings, 2 red color kings. By total cards are like 52. So 2 times 1, 2 times 26. So 1 by 26. The correct option is 1. Probability of A is 4 by 15, and probability of A bar, that is A naught, that is not event. A bar here is nothing but it is not A. So we have a formula that probability of an event plus probability of a not event is always 1. So if you apply that formula, so here probability of A plus probability of not A is 1. Substitute probability of A is like 4 by 15 plus probability of not A is 1 by 1. So probability of not A is 1 minus 4 by 15. So here you can know the probability of not A. If you take LCM 15, so 15 minus 4. So probability of not A is 15 minus 4 is 11. 11 by 15. So the correct option is 2. The probability of getting 53 Fridays in a leap year. See children, in a leap year we have 366 days. Okay, so 366 days. Now this, suppose in a week there are like 7 days. So 366, if you divide by 7, 7 5s 35, 7 times 2, it's 14. So 2 days are extra. So here you have 52 weeks, okay, plus 2 days. 52 weeks plus 2 days. So see, in this 52 weeks, so as we have 52 weeks, every day, like from Monday to Sunday, every day you'll get 52 times, but they're asking 53 Fridays. So this 53 Fridays will be decided by these 2 days. So these 2 days may be like, see, these 2 days may be like, it may be like Sunday Monday, or Monday Tuesday, or Tuesday Wednesday, Wednesday Thursday, Thursday Friday, Friday Saturday, and Saturday Sunday. So these all are the 7 cases possible. So we have the sample space, that is like 7 cases are possible. In these 7 cases, Friday, see, Friday, how many times you're getting? You're getting in this case, and you're getting in this case. So probability of getting 53 Fridays is, formula is number of favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So here, see, we have 7 possible cases. So in that 7 we have 2 times like Friday, so 2 by 7. So the correct option is 2 by 7. Now see, now only I want to explain, like if it's a normal year, like normal year is not leap year, we have 365 days. 365 days. Then remainder will be like 1. So we'll be getting like 52 weeks plus 1 day. 52 weeks plus 1 day. So if you want something like 53 Fridays in a year, which is not a leap year, so 53 Fridays will be decided by this 1 extra day. So this 1 day may be like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So here we have like 7 outcomes here again, but probability of getting 53 Fridays in a non-leap year, we have Friday only 1 time out of 7. If it's a non-leap year, 1 by 7, and if it is a leap year, 2 by 7. Here this problem is based on leap year, so 2 by 7, so the correct option is 2. The width of the class in the distribution having class intervals. So they are asking here class interval. The width of the class in the distribution having class intervals. So 1 to 20, 21 to 40, 41 to 60. So the width they are asking, so always subtract like from down to up, like 2 consecutive lower limits or 2 consecutive upper limits, like anywhere from down to up. So the width is the height of the class. So to find class size or width of the class from down to up, so there is nothing but 21 minus 1, 20, or 60 minus 40, or 41 minus 21. So always you'll get, like in this problem you'll get 20. So the correct option is 3. Some students, that what they'll do is they'll subtract like this, they may go wrong. If it is continuous class, you may get correct, but you want correct answer always. So down to up, like 2 consecutive lower limits, any 2, 41 minus 21, or upper limits you can take. So here H is 20, the correct option is 3. The arithmetic mean of the following data. So here class interval is like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. Frequency is 5, 14, 6. See, for mean compulsory, like we need to find class mark. So class mark is 0 plus 10 by 2, that is 5. 10 plus 20, 30, 30 by 2, 15. 20 plus 30, 50, 50 by 2, 25. Now because the values are only 3, so I'll solve by like direct method. Mean is sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So here sigma fi is total frequency. 14 plus 6, 20, 20 plus 5, 25. Now find fi and xi. Now 5 times 5 is 25. 14 times 15, or 15 times 14, 150, the 60, 210, and 6 times 25 is 150. So if you add sigma fi xi, that is 5, 385. So sigma fi xi value is 385 and sigma fi total frequency is 25. 5 times 5, 5 7s 35, and again 3 5, 5 7s 35. So 77 by 5. 5 times 1, 5 times 1, 5. So here 27. 5 times 5 is 25. 2 is left. 5 times 4. So 15.4. So the correct option is 4. If mean is 44, median is 42, then mode. So here we have a formula for mode equals 3 median, relation between mean, median, mode. Mode equals 3 median minus 2 mean. So 3 times median. Median is 42 minus 2 times mean. Mean is 44. So 3 times 42 is 126 minus this is like 88. So the correct 126 minus 88 will be like 38. So the correct option is 3. Which of the following is more consistent? See here, mean. If you take the mean, in mean it will be affected by extreme values. For example, if you take the frequency like 1 or 2, and there are some frequencies which are like 31, 35 and 36. So then the mean will not certainly reflect the same way that it behaves, like it has the frequency as 23, 25, something like that. So if we have the extreme values, it will affect. So next, if you take the median, okay. So where in this median, especially extreme values, if there are like extreme values and we wish to find like typical observations, the median is more appropriate, like for finding the like average wage in our country, okay, and the rate of workers. Okay, so to find all these values, so the median is more appropriate. So where the extreme values will be and it will not affect. So rather than the mean, the median as a better measure of central tendency. So the more consistent is median.